Invermere, BC housing situation market right now is crazy. Here's your market update for February of 2026. If you're trying to sell in Invermere right now and it feels slower than it should, you're not imagining this. If you're a buyer waiting for prices to finally soften, you might be waiting for something that isn't actually happening. Because here's what makes Invermere super unusual right now. Sales are thin, but prices aren't collapsing. And in January, Invermere's single family benchmark price is sitting around $712,800, according to the Kootenay region data. Sales volume is minimal. So how does a lifestyle market slow down without a price erosion? And that's what we're going to unpack today. Because Invermere isn't crashing, it's recalibrating. And if you misread this phase, you could either overprice your home or miss a rare buying window. So let's break it down. From the January 2026 Association Statistics of the Kootenay region, Invermere single-family benchmark pricing is $712,800. Townhouse benchmark $505,500. Apartment benchmark $399,600. Limited January sales activity, absolutely. Now let's zoom out. Across the broader Kootenay region, sales were down 26.3%. Dollar volume was down 31.9%. Now this is a volume contraction across the whole East Kootenays. But in Invermere, a discretionary lake and lifestyle market, volume contraction feels amplified because transactions are often second home or lifestyle driven and discretionary buyers pause first. This is what makes Invermere feel crazy though right now. Demand hasn't disappeared, it's just hesitating, and that creates a volume slowdown without a price breakdown, which creates tension. Sellers expect strong pricing. Buyers, they're waiting for negotiation leverage. And right now, both sides are testing each other, looking at each other straight in the eye, seeing who's going to budge. So let's break down the threats. Threats right now for the Invermere sellers. Number one, discretionary capital pauses first. So Invermere buyers are often Alberta families, lake property purchasers, vacation home buyers, retirement relocations. These buyers don't have to buy, they choose to buy. So when interest rates feel uncertain, they wait, which means showing slow and high-end listings feel it first. Threat number two, luxury band sensitivity. At a $700,000 benchmark, Invermere is priced well above Elkford, well above Sparwood, and well above Cranbrook, which means your buyer pool is narrower. And in narrow pools, overpricing gets punished immediately. In lifestyle markets, precision matters more than optimism. Threat number three, spring listing risk. Across the Kootenay region, new listings are up nearly 10% year over year. And if Invermere sees that same listing acceleration in March and April, and in February, pay attention now, and sales don't rebound, we could see price softness by late Q2. Right now, inventory isn't exploding, but momentum matters a ton. So here's some opportunities for the sellers in Invermere. Opportunity number one, no distress wave. Despite thin January sales, there is no panic selling. Owners in Invermere often have high equity, own second properties, not forced sellers, and that supports price stability. This is not a distressed environment. It's a patient one. Your opportunity number two, lake and lifestyle premium still exists. Invermere offers Lake Windermere, golf course communities, vacation infrastructure, proximity to Alberta, and those drivers haven't disappeared. They've paused. Lifestyle demand historically rebounds quickly when confidence returns. Now here's some threats for Invermere buyers. Threat number one, waiting for major discounts. Sales are thin, but prices aren't collapsing. Inventory isn't surging dramatically. And if you're waiting for a 20 to 25% drop, there is no evidence of that trajectory yet. Lifestyle markets stall before they slide. Threat number 2, missing spring sentiments shift. Invermere can flip quickly. If Alberta buyers regain confidence, rates stabilize, optimism builds, well, negotiation leverage shrinks fast. Lifestyle markets are sentiment driven, and sentiment shifts quickly. Now here's your opportunity as a Invermere buyer. Number 1, you've got negotiation leverage right now. Today, there's no bidding wars, no conditional offers are getting accepted. Sellers are willing to discuss terms, longer decision windows. That is rare in a lake market, and this is not 2021. This is strategic territory. Opportunity number 2, strategic entry before summer. Historically, Invermere sees stronger activity heading into summer, buying before winter. Buying during winter hesitation often provides better structure and leverage than buying in May and June. If confidence returns by late spring, today's buyers look smart. And what am I looking for right now? I am watching February, March listing volumes, days on market trends, Alberta inquiry levels, price reductions. If listings rise sharply and sales lag, we see moderate downward pressure by late Q2. If sales rebound seasonally and inventory stays controlled, prices likely hold steady through the summer. And right now, Invermere is in a recalibration mode. Not a crash, not a boom. Neutral recalibration. So that Invermere housing situation feels kind of crazy right now because activity slowed, prices didn't. That disconnect creates uncertainty, but uncertainty creates strategy. Okay, follow me here. For sellers, your precision pricing matters so much. For buyers, your leverage exists but may not last forever. So if you're thinking about selling in Invermere this year, don't rely on the regional headlines. Please do not pay attention to the national headlines for sure. Invermere behaves differently than Cranbrook, differently than Fernie, and definitely different than Sparwood. Lake premium matters. Property type matters, and pricing band matters even more. Timing, get on it. If you want hyper-local breakdown of your competition, your realistic buyer pool, your spring inventory trends, where pricing pressure may show up, reach out. Let's build a strategy tailored to this market, to this time, to this point. Because in lifestyle towns, precision beats optimism. I'll see you in the next one.